Hello. My name is Humphrey Soliman Jr. Welcome to my channel. Our today's video presentation is Division of Polynomials. We will discuss the division algorithm and synthetic division. Before we continue, please watch my other tutorials about math lessons, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Starting with example number 1. We will divide the quantity, 2x cubed, minus 11x squared, plus 19x, minus 7, by the quantity, 2x minus 1. We can rewrite the expression this way. Then we get the first term 2x cubed divided by the first term 2x. That would be x squared. After that, we need to multiply this x squared to the first term 2x, that would be 2x cubed, and multiply x squared also to negative 1, that would be negative x squared. After that, we need to subtract 2x cubed minus x squared from 2x cubed minus 11x squared. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us negative 10x squared. We will bring down 19x minus 7. We will repeat the process again. This time, we will divide negative 10x squared by 2x. This will be negative 5x. Next, we will multiply negative 5x to 2x. This will be negative 10x squared, and then, we will also multiply negative 5x to negative 1. This will be 5x. After that, we need to subtract negative 10x squared plus 5x from negative 10x squared plus 19x. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us 14x. We will bring down negative 7. We will repeat the process again. This time, we will divide 14x by 2x. This will be 7. Next, we will multiply 7 to 2x minus 1. This will be 14x minus 7. After that, we need to subtract negative 14x minus 7 from 14x minus 7. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us 0. Now we see that the remainder is 0 and the quotient is x squared, minus 5x, plus 7. We can also say that 2x minus 1, is a factor of, 2x cubed, minus 11x squared, plus 19x, minus 7 because the remainder is 0. Now, let's discuss example number 2. We will divide the quantity, 3x cubed, plus 5x squared, plus 1, by the quantity, x plus 2. We can rewrite the expression this way. Notice that we included a 0 to take the place of the missing term, so that we don't forget that we have a term between 5x squared and plus 1. Then we get the first term 3x cubed divided by the first term x. That would be 3x squared. After that, we need to multiply this 3x squared to the first term and second term, x plus 2, that would be 3x cubed, plus 6x squared. After that, we need to subtract 3x cubed plus 6x squared from 3x cubed plus 5x squared. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us negative x squared. We will bring down, plus 0 plus 1. We will repeat the process again. This time, we will divide negative x squared by x. This will become negative x. Next, we will multiply negative x to x plus 2. This will be negative x squared minus 2x, and then, we need to subtract negative x squared minus 2x from negative x squared plus 0. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us 2x plus 1. We will repeat the process again. This time, we will divide 2x by x. This will be 2. Next, we will multiply 2, to x plus 2. This will be 2x plus 4. After that, we need to subtract 2x plus 4 from 2x plus 1. To do that, we need to change the signs and proceed to addition. This will give us negative 3. Now we see that the remainder is negative 3, and the quotient is 3x squared, minus x, plus 2. We can write the quotient as 3x squared, minus x, plus 2, minus 3 over the quantity x plus 2. Now we know how to divide polynomials using the division algorithm. We can now proceed to division using synthetic division. Example number 3. The quantity 3x cubed, minus 11x squared, plus 11x, minus 2, divided by the quantity, x, minus 2. Here, we need to equate the denominator to 0 and get the value of x, which is equal to 2. After that, we need to copy the numerical coefficients of our numerator. 3, negative 11, 11, and negative 2. Next, we will bring down 3. Then multiply 2 to 3 and get 6. Next, we will add negative 11 to 6, this will give us negative 5. Then, we will now multiply 2 to negative 5, this will be negative 10. We will now add 11 to negative 10, this will become 1. After that, we will multiply 2 to 1, this will be equal to 2. Then, we need to add negative 2 to 2, and this will be 0. We can see, our remainder is again equal to 0. For our final answer, we have the degree of our numerator, 3, and the degree of the denominator, 1, this will give us a quotient, with a degree of 2. So the answer is, 3x squared, minus 5x, plus 1. I hope this video helped you learn about division of polynomials using the division algorithm and synthetic division. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. Also, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next videos. Please share this video with your friends to help them learn more in math. Have a nice day.